Carlos.
Nice to meet you. Can you please talk to me about your pants?
Yeah, so I got them from Levi's. They're the Universal Monsters collab with. Thank you. It's awesome. They're the Universal Levi's collab.
I want to get all the details. Okay, these are sick.
Thank you. I got them this weekend actually.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
This is the first time you wore them out then?
Yes.
So what's your fashion inspiration?
Let's see. Well, my girlfriend is a lot of help with that. I can't lie. She takes a lot of the credit. But
Does she pick outfits out for you?
sometimes.
Oh, I like that.
But yeah, she's really helped me. She pointed these out to me. I was like, oh, I have to get those.
Yeah, like look at this.
Yeah, it's got all the text on it and everything.
Fire. Do you have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
That's a really great question. I don't know.
What's your favorite luxury brand?
My favorite luxury brand? Oh, I love Prada.
Prada? Okay,
Prada's
yes,
great, yeah.
I see that.
I love what they've been putting out recently. It's very much my style.
Nice. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
I love pants. I don't know. I really want to just get into like some nice, I would love to just make some pants kind of like this. I mean, it's like logo pants, but not super over the top where it's like the same thing printed over. But
Gotcha, because these are very unique. Yeah, they have something different going on both
it's not
sides.
the same design all over.
I love. And this is the jewelry of the day. Tell me about this ring.
Oh, I just got it off an Etsy shop.
Okay.
It's a small brand shop. I saw it off TikTok.
And this one?
Oh, this is my girlfriend. She gave me this.
Did she make it?
Yeah, it's I mean some of the beads fell off, but It's also from an Etsy shop. It says
It looks good with the ring.
Oh, thank you. It says in Morse code, "Sweet boy."
Oh, that is so precious. I'm so glad you shared that with me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Oh yeah.
And why is that?
I mean, it's always an extra pair of hands, and I feel like my life is busy as is. I could always use it.
Oh yeah, so you'd put them to work.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you too.
Hello.
Hi. Tell me your names. I'm Maria.
Spencer.
Nice to meet you guys. Walk me through your outfit today.
This dress I made.
You made
this
it?
jacket I made. These
God.
are some tights that are really warm, some docks, and then this like German bag.
I love the color
bunch of
coordination.
silver.
I was not expecting you to tell me that you made this blazer and the dress. And look at the color coordination again, green everywhere. And then what is this that's peeking through here? The sleeve?
This is like a Topshop like sheer.
Undershirt that you have. Oh, I see. See, that is so cute.
Yeah.
And can I get a close-up of your jewelry and your rings?
You guys are matching unintentionally.
I love it. Where did you get some of these?
This booty one I got online.
Look at the booty ring. I love to see it.
These are all from like this flea market in Seattle. And then I used to work for Nordstrom, so I like got discounted Gucci and shit,
Love. What's your fashion inspiration?
Colorful and a little bit like slutty,
Can I see the earrings of the day too? Gorgeous. I love the little delicate touches. And tell me about your outfit.
Navy blue Yankee. It's a Supreme jacket.
Oh, you have a pin on there. What's the pin?
Just says Supreme on it. This is the barn jacket. I think it came out a couple years ago. And then
Nice.
low top blazers.
Supreme details. And what is your fashion inspiration?
Her.
Oh, I love that. And what is your fashion inspiration?
Like my culture and just like what I want to design as a designer for
What's
fashion.
your culture?
I'm from Oaxaca, Mexico, so they do a lot of like bright embroidery, a lot of bright colors.
Beautiful. I'm also Mexican.
Yeah.
I love to see it. Do you remember the very first thing you ever designed?
Yes, it was like for my Barbie dolls.
I love that. You started young.
Yeah.
Designer.
Just scraps, just putting on their bodies and stuff.
Do you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
High top Margiela tabby boots because I have the low ones, but I
In
want
what
the high
color?
top in brown.
Okay.
There's like a chocolate brown one.
I see it. And you guys told me it's your anniversary, right?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Guys. And do you have a dream item that you had your eyes on for a while that you haven't gotten your hands on just yet?
Similar to hers, I've seen these Margiela masks that I see everybody wearing. They look
Is it
so
the
nice.
one that
The
has
knitted
the
ones that cover your whole face.
And they have one that's like a Virgen de Guadalupe.
Yup.
I think that's from like a different brand. I can't remember.
This shit looks so cool. I've always wanted one.
I've been keeping my eye out for that too. I was like, wow, these are tough.
Waiting for the money to come in.
And if you were a fashion designer, what would you love to design first?
Jackets, always jackets, like rain jackets. Like
Nice.
really big rain jackets.
I love that. And my last question for you both is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Yes.
Oh wow, you guys both said yes. You no hesitation.
Yeah.
And why is that?
One can go to work and I can just stay and sleep.
There you go. You would put them to work. And
I
how
always
about
got
you?
someone to back me up in situations.
Okay, so you
Always
gotta
somebody
have
with
a
me.
backup.
Always.
Handle your light work. Okay,
Yeah, exactly.
I see it. I see it. Well, thank you guys so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
And enjoy your anniversary.
Thank you.
You guys look great. You look amazing. I want to see your rings too.
Sorry, let me just
Sorry.
flip.
I love this. Where's that from?
This is Acne Studio. This
Acne
is
Studio.
Vivian Westwood.
Vivian Westwood. I love it. These pants, these wide pants, they look amazing. And I want these shoes. Can you lift it a little for me? Can you tell me the name of the shoes again?
It's Balenciaga.
These are the Balenciaga ones. I love. Made from like tire, right?
Yeah.
I love these. What's your fashion inspiration?
I don't know. I just look around, I guess.
Okay. Do you have a dream fashion item that you haven't gotten yet?
Bottega bag.
Bottega bag. What color?
I guess gray.
Great. Oh, I see that. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design?
I don't know. Maybe clothes.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much for your time. You look awesome. Oh my gosh. Where did you get this purse?
So this purse I got at, I guess it was like a toy or gift shop on the Upper East Side called Eat. It's connected to a grocery store and they sell a lot of toys actually. And it actually plugs into your phone, so you can actually listen to music or you can have a real phone conversation.
That is so
Like a headphone.
cool. My friend actually has a pink one, and when she told me that it was functional, I lost my mind. But I've never seen it in this color scheme. I really like it
Thank
with the
you.
pink and the blue.
Thank you.
And where's your coat
So
from?
this coat, my old coworker Jessica Han gave it to me. It was her mom's. It's from Japan. And the
That
inside,
hood is
the
fabulous.
inside is rad too. It's actually tigers and mystical women inside.
What? This is
clocks.
amazing. I love how big that hood is. Wow, it got even better. This is definitely a one of a kind.
Yeah, and I honestly, it was a friend that gave me a hand-me-down, so I
That's
mostly thrift shop. and-
Amazing. What a blessing. What was your name?
My name is Alexandra.
Nice to meet you. And what was your fashion inspiration?
I just get inspired by things that are quirky and different and fun.
I love that I see that, and I love how colorful you are.
Yeah. So I have definitely different style for different occasions and stuff like that. But there's something about a winter coat that just stands out that just makes me feel good. And it's warm. It feels like a sleeping bag. So
Oh my gosh, I
Yeah.
love that. And do you have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't gotten your hands on
Oh
yet?
my gosh, a dream fashion item. That's interesting. Lately, I like things. I'm actually gonna get married.
Oh my gosh, congratulations!
Thank you. So I want like a beautiful, like very fairy like inspired
Gown?
gown.
Oh
And
my
maybe-
gosh.
Maybe pink. There's this designer named Bibian Blue. I think she's from Spain, and she creates these butterfly prints and also these kind of like beautiful corset and pink and like.
So you want your wedding dress to be pink?
Maybe a light blush.
Oh, I love that
Or purple or
idea.
butterfly.
Purple's my favorite color.
Or maybe a little corsety. But yeah, Bibian Blue's this designer I've had my eye on.
Amazing.
Yeah.
If you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
If I was a designer, what would I love to design first? I think. I love dresses. I love fun dresses.
Like something that you could wear to the Met Gala?
Yes.
I love
I
that.
would love to go to the Met Gala. My friend actually hosts something in Union Square every year called the Metro Gala. I host it with her.
Oh, I'll look that up.
And
That's so cool.
It's like right here we do like a pop-up Met Gala. This girl Michelle Joni and I.
And that belt, I love that too.
Thank you.
And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
I don't think so.
And why is that?
Would it be another version of myself?
No, you don't have control of them. They just look exactly like you.
No, I like to be one of a kind.
Exactly.
So-
1 of 1. Thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful day. Hi, what's your name?
Hey, my name's Tolo.
Nice to meet you. Can you please tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah, I'm wearing a sweater by Danny Cole, a good friend of mine and an amazing painter.
I love the
And
sweater.
he has created a world called Creature World, and this is one of his many fascinating, beautiful pieces.
I love it. And do you have a fashion inspiration?
I don't. I just like wearing what looks good.
Nice. So then you don't think that you would have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't gotten your hands on yet?
Yeah, maybe a pair of original 1800s Levi jeans.
Okay, I
Like the
see
kind
that.
you can only find down deep in a mine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
What would I love to design first?
Yeah, if you were a designer.
I have no idea. I have not a single designer, creative
Juice in you.
juice in my body.
I got you, but look at you. My last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Yeah,
Why is that?
because then we could like be in two places at once and prank people. That would be awesome.
So you would do it for pranks. Love it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. That was so cool. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Have a beautiful day.
You too.
Hello, gorgeous. We did interview her in a previous episode. You guys are gonna have to go find it. This is the lovely Iris. As you can see, orange is their color.
Yes, the orange iris. That is my trademark signature.
So tell me about this outfit today.
I like to dress up orange when I go play music, so people know that I'm the orange iris. So that's definitely a big part of it. My girlfriend got me this sweater because she loves me, and so I wore it because it's really soft.
And then the
but yeah.
scarf
scarf?
looked like a little tie.
Yes, the scarf is actually on my only album cover. I dyed it myself. It goes to like a dress.
Love
But yeah,
that.
this is kind of like over these because I didn't want to just wear
And
those.
still orange accents
orange.
and the little ruffles on the side.
Yeah,
We love
it's
to
warm.
see
You know, I
it.
like to stay warm. I have like a beanie if I get too cold, but yeah, this is it. It's very cozy.
And what
today.
kind of genre of music do you play?
I'm been calling it avant pop because I like avant and I like pop. It's indie pop right now since it's just kind of me and my guitar, but as it transforms, I don't know, it will transform into many things, I'm sure.
We
Yeah,
love
it's
to
pop. It's
see
pop
it.
music.
Definitely go check out her Instagram at the Orange Iris. I'll plug it in right here.
Saying was, I wouldn't let it slide. I bet that they like to take a little peek inside your mind, your eyes. Retrieving and tell them that whoever you're sleeping with is hardly your wife. Hardly your life. Whatever we were doing in secret. I know all these secrets that I wish I didn't know. You're right or lies. You don't even like how many of your evil truths keep you up at night. I know they keep you up at night. Whatever we were doing in secret sheets was fun when we kept it. Whatever you were doing to me, baby, purposely keeping me stupid. I gave you some free publicity, but they all ended with everybody knows everything, baby. But you're somehow hiding. Did I blow up your spot, baby? You've been calling me